Now, being an expert in your industry allows you to get paid more. It allows you to demand more respect. It allows you to get, added opportunities, speaking appearances, clients, really anything you want. If you separate yourself from the fray and get perceived as an expert, the world is your oyster and you become a hot commodity. But how do you do that? Now, I'll discuss in depth how you become an expert in your industry. I'm perceived as an expert in my industry, which is affiliate marketing, and I'll show you the steps that I've taken and that I've seen many others take towards becoming an expert in their industry. Now, becoming an expert in your industry is great because there's a lot of people who are maybe engineers, but there's only a few people who are considered the best engineers. There's a lot of people who, do fitness and have great bodies and train hard, but there's only a few people who get paid hundreds of dollars an hour as personal trainers. Now, there's a lot of people out there who do customer service and get paid $5, $10, $20 an hour to do customer service. But there are only a few people who get paid hundreds of dollars an hour for their expertise in customer service and are paid to speak on stages or consult with companies to help them reform their customer service operations. No matter what it is, being an expert helps you make more money, get more respect, surround yourself with better people. Now, the 4 steps to becoming an expert are these, and I'm going to go more in depth into each of these points in just a second here. So, study, apply, get results, share, and step number 4 is trust. Okay, I guess that's 5 steps. I was at a crossroads a few years ago. This is in 2016. At the end of it, I'd started an affiliate network. I'd sunk all my money. I'd made millions of dollars doing affiliate marketing, and I'd gotten a little bit full of myself, and I sunk it all into starting an affiliate network, which is like a really risky, cash flow negative, capital intensive business. And I lost it all. I lost $1 million and I owed money to Uncle Sam. And I was at a crossroads and I thought to myself, what do I do next? What business do I do? Do I, affiliate, I just go back to affiliate marketing the same old products? Or am I going to shoot for something bigger? Because I was trying to shoot for something that would make me tens, hundreds, billions of dollars. And at the time, I thought affiliate marketing was, I was like, okay, it's great for a few million, but I want to think big here. And I was at a crossroads and I was completely lost. Let's face it. I had no idea what I wanted to do. But what I knew, I was thinking like, what company, what's the branding, what's all this stuff, what's the business model? But I knew that no matter what, if I did a business where it was based around my name, right, myself, I'm with me wherever I go. So it doesn't matter what the brand is. I have my name. Investing in your own name is the most surefire investment you can ever make. Because you're always going to be with you. You're always going to have the same name. You're always going to be you. So I decided simply, I said, I don't know what I want to do. I still kind of don't know what I want to do. But I figured, okay, I'm gonna teach what I know. Okay. And I got into, now I'm at the point where I am perceived as an expert. I have a large social media following. Millions of people follow me across all platforms. I get asked to speak at big conferences. I get endorsement deals. I get all sorts of things because I'm perceived as an expert in affiliate marketing. If you want to be an expert, here's how you get started. So the first step is you study the other experts. You study materials from other people that, whatever the field is you want to do. You want to learn rocket science, then buy a couple textbooks on rocket science. You want to become great at marketing, buy some good marketing books. I have a couple good marketing books right here. You could buy Tested Advertising Methods by John Caples. Another great book is Cashvertising by Drew Eric Whitman. Another great book is Ryan Holiday, Growth Hacker Marketing. Whatever you go into, make sure you study a lot. You're going to need to know the information. Next is you need to apply what you are learning. Now, I have plenty of videos here where you can learn marketing and apply the concepts immediately. Affiliate marketing is very extensible to taking action very quickly. You can get approved for affiliate networks instantly if you're in the US or other Western countries, and you can start marketing instantly because you're already signed up for social networks. But whatever you're going into, you need to apply what you're doing. It just makes sense. You can't just learn it. You're not an expert by just reading. You're an expert by starting to apply it. And of course, you need to start getting results. Now, if you're doing affiliate marketing, results might be money. If you're working with clients, it might be making them money. If you're helping coach people to life transformations, that's helping them transform their life. Whatever it is, if you're doing video, it's shooting amazing video. If you're gardening, it's creating amazing gardens. You need to get results. You need to start getting real results that are better than the average bear. And the next step, number 4, is share those results. Create a case study. Create a YouTube video. Find clients and start helping other people. Get people to pay you to actually get results for them, to do their gardens, to do their, transform them, to coach them, to whatever it is, transform their relationship. And start sharing those results with whether it's clients or whether it's, on YouTube, whether it's with a case study. Start sharing those and you'll start seeing the rewards. At this point, you'll start making money, right? Because just getting results, you're sharing them, you're getting more clients, you start making more money. But the last step is critical, and that is you need credibility. You need trust. Trust is hard to get. Credibility is hard to get. And to get credibility, you need to think bigger. You need to go beyond your comfort zone. That's the thing for beyond. Beyond, right? Beyond. So you need to go beyond your comfort zone, and that means reach out to maybe magazines, reach out to TV producers. Say, I am the best darn gardener in America, right? You're the best, or whatever it is. And say, I have an idea for a TV show. I'm going to find people who are broke and I'm going to transform their gardens, right? Or whatever that is. I'm going to find people in inner cities and create these majestic gardens in inner city, small plots of lands in inner cities. Whatever that is. Or maybe you're going to say, I'm going to get featured in Forbes. I was featured in Forbes. I was featured on Fox News, CBS, NBC, right? All across TV. Dubai TV. I've spoken at major conferences around the world, spoken at Affiliate Summit. I was asked to be on the board of advisors for Affiliate Summit. So whatever it is, get that trust, get that credibility, but it's not like they just reached out to me. I reached out to them. I said, how can I help? How can I contribute? Can I speak here? Can I share this information, but sharing it on a bigger level, okay? I got to know the people who worked in the TV industry. Don't be afraid to reach out to people at the next level when you are getting results and you are sharing them. Reach out to people, get that next level trust and credibility, and become legendary, become an expert, and start demanding the money, the earnings, the respect, the surrounding of the right people that you deserve, and make sure to slam the like button on this video. If you got massive value, type in massive value. And if you consider yourself an expert at something, write down what you consider yourself an expert at. I'd love to know what you're the most skilled at on this channel, okay? So, great talking to you. Let's get it, and I'll see you in the next video.